I'm going to show you how you can use the quick import feature in Microsoft Forms. Now, this feature allows you to easily import questions to create new quizzes, new forms, new surveys, and this can save you a lot of time, especially if you have a set of standard questions that you need to frequently use. It's also very useful if you want to create, as part of your team, a set of questions in Word and then be able to go and put that into Microsoft Forms quickly. Now, it's very useful because you can add multiple questions without having to manually recreate them. And we'll also show you this feature. So if you click on Quick Import, it shows you can upload the file. It's a Word document or a PDF, and the maximum file size is 10 megabytes. Now you can also click on See Import Guidance for more information, because the recommended question types are limited to multiple choice and open text questions. Now, it does have an example on there of an English grammar quiz, so this kind of highlights the sort of format that should be followed when creating these. So you can click Got It once you know what you're looking for. So we're going to have a look at a form that we have created. So I'm just going to open Word for the moment, and we're going to go onto this form about monkeys. And as you see, we've got a couple questions here. We've got the largest species, we've got what continent is home to the most species, and you see we've got different questions. Now, as you see, they are a little close together, and we can space them out as well, just to make this more clear of the different format. And we can also add in that first question as a header. So we're going to make this about monkeys. Now, once you're happy, we'll close this Word file and we'll come back to our import window on Microsoft Forms. Now let's click Upload from this device and we're going to click on Monkey Form. Now we have a way where we can import it. So there's two different types, a normal form or a quiz. Now for this, we're going to make this a quiz, so we'll click Quiz in this instance. And now Microsoft Forms is going to convert the Word document that we have. It will do the same for a PDF file, and it will convert it into a Microsoft Form quiz or survey. It usually takes a few moments for Forms to convert the document you upload. Depending on how many questions you also have in the form, it can take a while. Once it has completed the conversion successfully, you'll get this screen, and you can either import another or you can review the form you've just imported. So let's click on Start Review. Then a new tab will open, loading your form. Now, when it loads, you'll be greeted with your quiz in the way that it's interpreted it to be imported. As you can see, we've got our first, second, third, fourth and fifth questions added, and you can add the correct answers in the form of a quiz, or you can start amending the style or the presentation of your form. You can add music, you can use one of these presets, you can customize it yourself, you can even change the layout of how your quiz or form will look.